Home Remedies presents How to get rid of wrinkles using coconut oil. Wrinkles, which are a result of aging skin and volume loss, are completely natural. Still, it's normal to feel self-conscious about them. The recipe I will share with you today is 100% natural and will help you start seeing results very fast. Ingredients: 1 vitamin E capsule, a few drops of organic coconut oil. Preparation and application: open up the vitamin E capsule carefully and pour the contents into a bowl. Add the coconut oil and mix well. Apply this oil blend all over a clean and dry face. Massage it in for a few minutes. Repeat this procedure every night before you go to bed for best results. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.